Hey guys, what is up? It is your girl Ashley. So, I asked you guys which videos you guys want to see, and surprise, surprise, people want to see DIY videos on a DIY channel. Big shocker there. But literally, but since people want to see DIYs on a DIY channel, we might as well give the people what they want. So, stay tuned for some flawless DIYs. Let's get into it. So, we are going to be making a scrunchie. So the first thing you need is a mason jar and a ponytail holder. And then, of course, we need some fabric. I'm going to take the fabric. Yeah, I'm going to fold it in half really quick just because it's really bulky. Then you take the ponytail holder, just slide it down so you get something like this. So eventually we're going to, oh my goodness, I always keep on forgetting to plug in my glue gun before we do this. Okay. So essentially what we're going to do is we're going to fold this over. Like such. The edges, fold in the edges like that. We're gonna wait for my hot glue gun to, heat up. But while we're waiting for it to heat up, we're just gonna fix some of these edges. Just so that it is the consistency that we want. Oh, come on, get warm. It's getting warm, it's just... Okay. So essentially what we're going to do is we're going to get this hair off of my mason jar. No, we are going to take these and just kind of glue on the end like this and just kind of fold it up. I'm actually going to pull this down a little bit so that I can see where my line is. Sorry, I gotta have glue in my hand. It's like the effect of being like one of the very, very, very many perks of being a DIYer. Now I have hot glue stuck to my hand. So we got this done. I'm gonna show you my beautiful face. Even though my hair is like freaking mess. I'm sorry, I've been working all day. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna slide this very, very carefully off. And we got a cute little scrunchie. And I liked, oh, nope, I didn't miss that part. We're gonna grab scissors in a little bit and just kind of clean up our edges. You know what, I might actually do that right now. Take you along with me. So that is how you can make your very own DIY scrunchie. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below to become part of the Uniqueen fam, turn on post notifications, and as always guys, stay flawless.